are unboxing our new aluminum valve cover for our 6.7 liter Cummins. It's a 2009 Dodge Ram 3500 Mega Cab. We'll go ahead and take a look, see what we got. We have all the parts in the box here. Looks like we have our hoses, fittings, clamps. Okay. And then here we go. Few fingerprints here and there, but I'll get those all cleaned up. And we'll be go ahead and getting that install done here this weekend. So stay tuned. Within about one day, you're gonna see it on the truck. Hello everyone. So today we're going to be installing a new aluminum valve cover from SPELAB. It's a new product. So I'm going to go ahead and start picking this one apart here. Probably go through some sped up footage here just so you don't have to sit through the entire process. Alright, so I gathered a few tools here to get ready for it. So we're going to be taking these bolts off. They're 8mm. Excuse the sweat. We are in South Florida here. It's like 100,000 degrees out. Humidity is like 100%, and doing this in our driveway here. So I'll get started on getting this thing apart. Okay. So you see, this is a little old beat up right here. Got my breather on here. This actually was also from SPELAB. I just got an Evil Energy breather. That off to the side. Then we have this right here, comes out. Crankcase breather, a little oily. And you get to the meat of it right here. So we have the 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here, 2 bolts in the back. Okay, gonna have to disconnect this right here. That's gonna be coming off with it, little bolt right there. Other than that, we'll get on at it. One thing I'm definitely gonna do, I'm gonna put this cap back on just in case. I don't want any dirt, bolts, anything falling in there on accident. Be a big pain in the butt. All right, back at it. Had to take a short break. My camera actually overheated and I cannot get it to turn back on after several hours of trying to recharge it and cool it down. So I'm switching over cameras here. This is the valve cover. Check that out. And I'm gonna go ahead and get back at it. Here is also a little better view of the truck. And there's a little sticker bomb wrap Miata. And then we have the STI over there. But we'll get to that stuff later. So for now, have the valve cover. It's stock. Definitely had a bunch of oil in it. Oh, what I was saying before, the camera shut off. That sticker right there has the valve lash on it and also has the engine number. From what everybody's saying online, keep that number. So if you ever need parts, you just call, give the engine number, and they can give you exactly what you need. You don't have to worry about VIN number and all that stuff. Supposedly engine number is better. So here is top end of the motor. That little Banks cover right there usually goes right there if you're keeping the other part, but I just wanted to add something in there to make it look a little different. Alright guys, I'm back. Super tight fit. Trying to get it on here with that heat shield insulation up on the firewall there. So gotta be real careful putting it in, feed it in nice and slow. You gotta manipulate it, move it around, because I have these bypass all these things in here. I don't want to have to disconnect that and then you have to worry about air in the coolant system. So push up on this, wiggle it in. Falls into place right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the bolts put in. With the kit, you get these Allen bolts. Good, start feeding them by hand. Got everything torqued down. I temporarily here, I don't have my catch can yet, so I just put my old breather filter on right there so you can see. That'll be a temporary fix until I get my catch can, and then I'll be routing those lines and getting all that stuff taken care of. But just want to get all my sweat and all that off valve cover. Back bolts are definitely a pain to get to. Be prepared for it. So the last thing I'll have to do is really just start it up, let it idle, operating temp, all that. See, make sure that there's no leaks around this valve cover gasket. But other than that, it seems like it looks pretty good here. We're gonna finish up these lines on the side that feed back down into the block. I'll get that fitting put on that one there and get that taken care of. But other than that, it looks pretty slick. Beautiful product.